tRNA molecule to which an amino acid is attached are said to be charged, and those tRNA molecules to which amino acids are not attached, they are called uncharged. Charging requires an acyl linkage between the carboxyl group of the amino acid and the 2' or 3' hydroxyl group of the adenosine nucleotide that protrudes from the acceptor stem at the 3' end of the tRNA. This acyl linkage is a high energy bond because its hydrolysis results in a large change in the free energy. This is significant for protein synthesis. The energy released when this acyl bond is broken is coupled to the formation of peptide bond that link amino acids to each other in the polypeptide chain. तो ये जो एसाइल लिंकेज है, ये हाई एनर्जी बॉन्ड है, ये बड़ा सिग्निफिकेंट है क्योंकि जब ये एसाइल लिंकेज के ज़रिए tRNA और अमाइनो एसिड लिंक्ड हैं, जब ये mRNA पे आएंगे, राइबोसोम पे आएंगे, तो ये एसाइल लिंकेज ब्रेक होगी. इसकी ब्रेकेज से बहुत हाई एनर्जी जो है वो रिलीज़ होगी और यही एनर्जी जो है फिर यूटिलाइज होगी फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड. क्योंकि अब ये जो अमाइनो एसिड यहाँ से रिलीज़ हुआ है, इसको पहले से मौजूद पॉलीपेप्टाइड के साथ ऐड करना है थ्रू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड. और ये पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड की फॉर्मेशन जो है इट सेल्फ रिक्वायर्स एनर्जी, और ये एनर्जी जो है वो इसकी एसाइल लिंकेज की ब्रेकडाउन से आती है. All amino acyl tRNA synthetases attach an amino acid to a tRNA in two enzymatic steps. First is adenylation and the second is tRNA charging. Step 1 is adenylation, in which the amino acid reacts with ATP to become adenylated with the concomitant release of pyrophosphate. तो पहला स्टेप जो है इसमें अमाइनो एसिड जो है वो ATP के साथ रिएक्ट होता है और रिएक्ट करने के बाद ये एडिनाइलाइलेटेड हो जाता है और साथ ही पायरोफॉस्फेट जो है वो रिलीज होती है. एडिनाइलाइलेशन रेफर्स टू ट्रांसफर ऑफ AMP as opposed to adenylation, which would indicate the transfer of adenine. So adenylation और adenylation ये दो different reactions हैं. The principal driving force for the adenylation reaction is the subsequent hydrolysis of pyrophosphate by pyrophosphatase. As a result of adenylation, the amino acid is attached to adenylic acid via a high energy ester bond in which the carbonyl group of the amino acid is joined to the phosphoryl group of the AMP. Step 2 in this is the tRNA charging, in which the adenylated amino acid, which remains tightly bound to the synthetase, reacts with tRNA. अब ये सेकंड है कि ये जो adenylated जो है ये अमाइनो एसिड ये रिएक्ट करता है tRNA से. This reaction results in the transfer of the amino acid to the 3' end of the tRNA via the 2' or 3' hydroxyl and the release of AMP. तो इस तरह से अब अमाइनो एसिड जो है वो tRNA के 3' end पे आके अटैच हो जाता है. There are two classes of tRNA synthetases. Class 1 enzymes attach the amino acid to the 2' end OH of the tRNA and are generally monomeric. Class 2 enzymes attach the amino acid to the 3' OH of the tRNA and are typically dimeric or टेट्रामेरिक. तो दो क्लासेस हैं, जो एक जो है वो 2' OH पे अटैच करता है लाके, और दूसरा जो क्लास 2 है वो 3 प्राइम OH पे आके इसको अमाइनो एसिड को अटैच करेगा. Although the initial coupling between the tRNA and the amino acid is different, once released from the synthetase, the amino acid rapidly equilibrates between attachment at the 3 prime OH and the 2 prime OH. So here you can see this is the reaction. So in the first reaction, this is amino acid. It attacks this ATP molecule, and now this becomes amino acyl AMP, or you can see this is adenylated amino acid, and this pyrophosphate is released. So in the second step, this tRNA joins with this adenylated amino acid, and in this way this amino acyl tRNA complex is formed and AMP is released. These are the two steps, first step and second step. These are the two steps in the charging of tRNA. Each of the 20 amino acids is attached to the appropriate tRNA by a single dedicated tRNA synthetase. Because most amino acids are specified by more than one codon, it is not uncommon for one synthetase to recognize and charge more than one tRNA, and this is known as iso-accepting tRNAs. Nevertheless, the same tRNA synthetase is responsible for charging all the tRNAs for a particular amino acid. तो ये एक अमाइनो एसिड है, अगर एक ख़ास अमाइनो एसिड है तो सारे tRNAs जो हैं उसको चार्ज करने के लिए एक ही जो है tRNA synthetase इस्तेमाल होगा. Thus one and only one tRNA synthetase attaches each amino acid to all the appropriate tRNAs.